Oh, hello there. It's me again, Hoàng, your friend. Long time no see, right? Craving for some IELTS speaking part 1 sample answers? Here I am to satisfy your insatiable desire. Follow me. The topic of the video today is about happy things, and here are the questions. Number 1. Is there anything that has made you feel happy lately? Number 2. What made you happy when you were little? Number 3. What do you think will make you feel happy in the future? Number 4. When do you feel happy at work and why? Number 5. Do you feel happy when buying new things? Number 6. Do you think people are happy when buying new things? Yes, there is. So a few weeks ago, I realized that I had left my phone at a coffee shop, but fortunately I was able to get it back. You know what? I was really freaking out thinking that somebody would pick it up and claim possession of it. But thank God the phone was still there when I came back a few hours after. So overall, I would say that the experience was an emotional roller coaster, but in the end, I was floating on air when I managed to retrieve my phone. Yeah, childhood was really a carefree time for me. I mean, all I did was going to school, going back home and playing with my friends. There was no pressure of any kind really. And as you can probably imagine, as a child, I always looked full of the joys of spring. Those were the days when I was so naive and stress-free. Money, I suppose. Some people would say that money can't buy happiness, but I would say the opposite. For me, having a steady and secure source of income brings to me a sense of financial security. It also frees up my mental resources for other aspects of my life. So overall, I would dare to say that a better sense of well-being would be achieved when money is no longer the thing that bugs me. As a teacher, the happiest thing for me is when my lessons are attention-grabbing to my students. Not only do they understand what I deliver, but they stay actively involved throughout the lesson. You know, time seems to fly so fast whenever that happens, right? But if you're asking me for what I look for in a work environment, then I would say fair compensation, opportunities for development, and positive corporate culture are the 3 major factors I look for and contribute the greatest to my feeling of satisfaction. Admittedly, I'm not a shopaholic. However, when I buy something I like, I do have this feeling of eagerness when the item is being delivered. I mean, I can't wait to get my hands on the item. And then there comes the excitement when I open up the box, peel up all the nylon covering, and voila, the item that I've been waiting for. Definitely. Looking at that situation from a scientific perspective, dopamine is released whenever we buy something new because it fulfills a want or a desire. I don't know how that works, but it just somehow hardwired into our brains in order to motivate us to be productive in life, and so we can continue doing things that benefit us. And that's it for the episode today. I hope that you guys have learned so many valuable things based on my sample answers. Và vào năm 2023, hãy để The IELTS Workshop trở thành tri kỷ IELTS của bạn nhé.